Hello folks, Richard Evans here from Calibre Yacht Sales. Today we've got something else that's really special. We've got a combination Saratoga 300, complete with its own custom trailer and its own tow rig. And by the way, this boat was built in 2019, very ruggedly built, completely set up for fishing, just over 250 hours on these engines, and boy does this boat go. But what's really special is that this boat, with its custom trailer and FL60 Freightliner, will take you on adventures that you probably wouldn't think would be possible without a rig like this. You could drive this boat to Alaska, drive it across Vancouver Island and launch it on the other side, drive it to Mexico and launch it down there. The boat is exceptionally well built out of 1/4-inch aluminum. It's got 10-inch welded cleats, reinforced seams, totally offshore ready with redundant systems, cabin heating, and extended fuel and water capacity. The navionics on this boat are exceptional, complete with radar AIS, not only at the main helm, but also at the cockpit helm. The trailer is a triple axle, custom-made trailer specifically designed to haul this boat with an 18,000-pound capacity. The Freightliner FL60 is 235 horsepower at 2,700 RPM with a 460 pound-foot of torque. This tow vehicle can take this boat anywhere. So with no more ado, just imagine what this combination boat, trailer, and rig could take you on your next adventure.